How to send messages to all contacts on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send messages to all your contacts at once from WhatsApp. Whether you are sharing an announcement, an invitation, or just spreading some news. This method is quick, easy, and works perfectly. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open WhatsApp on your phone. Once you are inside the app, tap on the three dot icon shown on the top right corner and you will see the drop down menu. From that menu, tap on the new broadcast. After clicking the new broadcast, you will enter the page where you can select contacts you want to include. You can add as many people as you want, but remember the limit is 256 contacts per broadcast list. Once you are done selecting all the contacts, simply tap on the tick icon shown on the bottom right corner. Once you have created your broadcast list, type out your messages in the text box. This could be an announcement, an update, or anything that you want to share with everyone. When you are ready, simply tap on the send button and your message will go out to all the selected contacts. And here how it works. Each recipient gets the message as one-on-one chats, just like a personal message. They won't be able to see who else received it, which keeps it private, plus only contacts who have your number saved will be able to receive the messages. And if you need to send messages to more than 256 contacts, create a multiple broadcast list and repeat the process. Unfortunately, WhatsApp doesn't yet support sending to more than 256 people in a single broadcast. But if you are using the WhatsApp business, you can set up labels for your contacts and send broadcasts to specific group, making the process even more organized and efficient. And that's it. Sending a message to all your WhatsApp contact is quick and easy using the broadcast feature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.